Are you ready to learn the ultimate guide to making money online? Let's start with the basics, the foundation of your online career, identifying your skills and interests. This is the first and perhaps the most significant step on your journey to making money online. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. When you identify and understand your skills, you're not just defining what you can do, you're also pinpointing what you do best. Think about it. Are you a wordsmith who can weave stories with ease, or perhaps a graphic designer with an eye for aesthetics? Maybe you're a whiz at coding, creating digital solutions with finesse. Your skills are your power. They are the tools you'll use to carve out your space in the digital realm. But what about your interests? Now that's where the magic happens. When your skills align with your interests, that's when work doesn't feel like work anymore. Imagine being a passionate photographer and finding an opportunity to sell your photos online, or a fitness enthusiast who starts a blog about healthy living. Doesn't that sound exciting? Now you might be wondering how your skills and interests translate into making money online. Well, each skill you possess, each interest you nurture, can be transformed into a unique online opportunity. If you're good at writing, consider freelance writing or starting a blog. Graphic designers can find their niche in creating logos, website designs, or digital art. Coders can develop apps, create websites, or offer IT solutions. But here's the key. Your skills and interests aren't just about what you can do. They're also about what you enjoy doing. And when you enjoy what you do, you create with passion, you work with dedication, and you strive for excellence. So take a moment, reflect on your skills, discover your interests. Start from there, build on that. And remember, in the vast universe of the internet, where opportunities are as limitless as the stars, your skills and interests are your guiding constellations. Remember, your skills and interests are your most valuable assets in the online world. Now that you have identified your skills and interests, it's time to explore the different online platforms. We're living in a digital age where the world is at our fingertips. This accessibility makes generating income online not just a possibility, but an exciting reality. Let's dive into the various platforms you can leverage to turn your skills into a revenue stream. First off, we have freelancing websites. These are platforms where you can offer your services, whether that's writing, graphic design, coding, or even consulting. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are a great starting point. They connect you with clients looking for your specific skill set, enabling you to work on projects that match your talents and interests. Next up, we have online marketplaces. If you have a knack for creating physical or digital products, websites like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon could be your ticket to online income. These platforms offer a vast audience base, and with the right marketing strategy, your products can reach customers around the globe. Blogs and online stores are another way to monetize your skills and interests. If you're passionate about a particular topic, why not start a blog and share your insights with the world? Ad revenue and affiliate marketing can turn your blog into a profitable venture. Similarly, if you have products to sell, setting up an online store on platforms like Shopify can help you reach a wider customer base. The key here is to match your skills and interests with the right platform. Each platform has its unique advantages and user base, so it's important to research and choose the one that aligns with your goals. Remember, these platforms are just tools. It's your creativity, skills, and dedication that will truly make them shine. With the right strategies and a bit of persistence, these digital platforms can become your gateway to financial freedom. The online platforms are your playground. Use them to your advantage. Education is the key to success in any field, and making money online is no exception. In this ever-evolving digital landscape, it's not enough to rest on your laurels. You must continuously strive to sharpen your skills, broaden your knowledge, and stay current with the latest trends. Consider the world of online commerce as a vast ocean. Each wave represents a new trend, a new technology, or a novel way of doing things. If you're not adept at riding these waves, you risk being swept away, but fear not. The internet is also a generous provider of knowledge, offering an abundance of resources to help you stay afloat. Online courses are one such resource. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy offer a plethora of courses on a wide array of subjects. Whether you're a budding graphic designer seeking to master the latest Adobe software, a writer looking to brush up on SEO techniques, Or a coder wanting to learn a new programming language, there's a course out there for you. But education isn't just about formal courses. Tutorials, webinars, and how-to guides are equally valuable. YouTube, for instance, is a treasure trove of tutorials on almost anything you can imagine. Want to learn how to build a website, create engaging social media content, or even master the art of online sales? There's a tutorial for that. Lastly, staying updated with the latest trends is paramount. The online world is in a state of constant flux. What worked yesterday may not work today. To stay ahead, you need to keep a close eye on emerging trends. Subscribe to relevant newsletters, follow influential people in your field, join online forums and communities. In this digital age, knowledge truly is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the online world and turn your digital dreams into reality. Remember, learning is an investment in your future, in your dreams, and in your success. Invest in your education. It's your ticket to standing out in the crowded online marketplace. Making money online doesn't happen in isolation. You need to connect with others and be persistent. This is the golden rule of the digital world. No man is an island, especially in the vast ocean of online entrepreneurship. Networking is of paramount importance. It's not just about who you know, but who knows you. That's the power of networking. It's all about building relationships. And in the online world, relationships are often the currency of success. So how do you build these relationships? First, identify other online entrepreneurs in your field. Connect with them, engage in meaningful conversations, and share your experiences. The exchange of ideas and experiences can lead to collaborations, partnerships, or even mentorships. Second, join online communities. There are countless forums and groups out there dedicated to various fields of online entrepreneurship. Participate actively in these communities, share your insights, ask questions, and learn from others. Remember, the more you give, the more you receive. Third, don't underestimate the power of webinars. They are an excellent platform for learning and networking. You can gain insights from experts, ask questions, and even connect with other participants. But let's not forget, networking is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process. It's about nurturing relationships, staying connected, and continuously learning from others. Then comes persistence, the other half of the equation. Achieving financial success online is not an overnight feat. It's a journey and it requires patience. You'll face challenges, encounter setbacks, but it's important to keep going. Persistence is about staying committed to your goals, constantly learning and continuously improving. It's about taking one step at a time, even when the road is tough. Remember, it's the persistent turtle that wins the race, not the swift hare. So, let's recap. Networking and persistence are two crucial elements in the world of online entrepreneurship. They are the pillars that support your journey towards financial success. So, stay connected, be patient, and persist. These are your keys to unlocking your online earning potential.